Hello everybody, I'm Paula Ann from the Academic Skills Centre, and this afternoon in this podcast myself and my colleagues John and David are talking about Google Scholar and how effective it is when I'm looking for information on anything that I need to do for my research. So John, what are the pros of Google Scholar?
Well, it's nice and easy to use. It's out there very quickly, scholar.google.com, or links from the main Google page. There's lots of academic information it links to. You can also set it up to connect with our Find It at BHAM resources. So it'll show a link saying Find It at BHAM on the right of articles and other material. So you can go and see the full text of that where we've got available. So nice and easy to use out there, and links to our texts where we've got them.
So it's something that we'd be very familiar with using outside the university life. And what kind of quality of information is actually on there? I mean, where does it pick this information up from? Why is it of any value to me in my research?
Yeah, that's a good point, actually. So, I don't know, David, what do you think about where the information comes from?
The information comes from reputable sources, from some of our databases and open access resources made available by different institutions, but it's not always clear where those sources are coming from. It also doesn't search all of our subscription databases. So a lot of very important key articles may not end up in Google Scholar, and those are the ones that you really want to find. The search facilities, the advanced search is not as sophisticated as in some of our library databases. It's difficult to export into reference management software, and another interesting point to be aware of is Google Scholar, like Google, tends to personalize the results it gives you based on your previous searches. So it isn't really very good for systematic literature reviews where you need everyone to be able to carry out the same search and get the same results.
So as it only picks up about 10% of the information that's out there on the internet, would it be best to say it was a good place to start your research, to get you familiar with a subject that you don't know a lot about, but then you have to dig deeper and go to other databases such as Medline or InSpec or things like ArtStore?
Yes, and I think there are a number of resources which we offer there, which people can overlook by going to Google Scholar and Google. So instead, think you're going to find it at BHAM, go to the database search, look at our excellent LibGuides and the range there with links to the databases and descriptions, and see those that are available for your different subjects. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised and definitely helped by investigating those.
So that's a quick 2 minutes with us on Google Scholar. If you need any help with using Google Scholar or any of the other resources that we provide for you via library services, please do book an appointment to come and see us in the Academic Skills Centre.